Have you ever pondered why, in a bucket full of crabs, none can escape, even though the way to freedom is right within their reach? It's all about teamwork and cooperation. Let us delve into a story about a bucket of crabs on a sun-drenched dock, half full of seawater, and the life-changing realization of one brave crustacean. In this bucket, the crabs are trapped, their freedom merely inches away, yet they remain prisoners. Not because they lack the strength or the will to escape, but because they keep pulling each other down in a desperate scramble to reach the top. It's a classic crab mentality, a symbol of self-defeating behavior that hinders the progress of the entire group. But then, something remarkable happens. One crab, let's call him the brave crab, realizes the futility of their collective actions. He understands that none of them can make it out unless they start helping each other. So he takes the first step. He burrows beneath the other crabs, pushing them towards the top, aiding their escape back to the safety of the ocean. As the number of crabs dwindles, the water level lowers, making the escape even harder. Yet the brave crab persists, helping others despite knowing that he himself can't reach the top without assistance. When only 2 crabs remain, the other crab, now at the top, grasps the truth. He realizes that the brave crab, the one who's been aiding everyone else, will be left behind unless he lends a helping claw. There he sits, perched on the brink of freedom, faced with a choice. He doesn't have to help the brave crab, but he knows it was the brave crab's selfless action that led to this moment of potential liberation. So he reaches down, locking claws with the brave crab, and pulls him to the top. Then together, they leap back into the ocean, joining the rest of their kind, forever changed by the brave crab's decision. Such is the story of the crabs in the bucket. It's a tale of selflessness, cooperation, and the power of teamwork. It teaches us that sometimes, to ascend, we must first assist others in their climb. It's a reminder that pulling others down will only leave us all trapped in the bucket. It's the brave crab's realization and subsequent actions that led to the liberation of all. It was his understanding that real progress, real growth, lies not in individual struggle, but in collective upliftment. So next time you find yourself in a bucket, remember the brave crab. Remember the power of cooperation and the strength in unity. Because as the crabs learned in their moment of truth, when we lift others, we also rise.